we'll explore one of the best AI tools available. This is how to generate Facebook posts using AI. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves social media, this video will help you streamline your content creation process. This expedited GMB Everywhere process allows you to update your Facebook content whenever there are changes in your services or market trends, ensuring your social media presence is current and attractive to your audience. Step 1. Install the GMB Everywhere extension by going to gmbeverywhere.com and here click the Install Chrome extension button. You will be redirected to extension page and click Add to Chrome. After that, a new tab of Google Maps will be shown, showing you several buttons. Click the AI button to begin. Or you can go back to gmbeverywhere.com, click AI Tools, and the same page will appear. Click on Facebook Post Generator to start making your Facebook posts. Enter your business name in the designated text box. Customize the tone and style of your post to suit your intended impact. Choose from options like friendly, humorous, or any other tone that fits your brand's personality and the message's objective. Once you've tailored the tone to your preferences, simply hit the Generate Post button. After the content is generated, you can effortlessly copy it by clicking the Copy button, which will save the text to your clipboard. Once copied, you can then log into your business's Facebook account to publish the newly created post. AI-generated content is a great starting point, but don't forget to add your personal touch. Customize the post by adding emojis, adjusting the tone, or incorporating specific keywords and hashtags that resonate with your audience. Here are a few final tips to make the most out of AI-generated content. Be specific with your prompts. Experiment with different tones and styles. Always review and personalize the content. Use analytics to understand what works best for your audience. And that's it! Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got some questions, or do you have topics that you want to discuss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you on the next video.